Woo! And we got a spot for you, baby.
Stick around, you'll want to see this.
Everybody loves camping.
And this campground was amazing. See you in a minute.
Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down.
Welcome to Van Life Voyages. I'm Derek.
I'm Tanya. We do van life with a wheelchair and 2 dogs because
Life is too short to sit at home.
you're going to love this footage that we have for you.
All the spots were friendly, wheelchair friendly, I should say.
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. Here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds to turn the memory.
All right, there's our spot.
So I'm gonna back in and
Yeah, get it back in. See the path.
there's one front and back.
Bathroom is right there. Trash is right here. It's pretty nice.
My arm is just cramping up. Wood, huh?
Just
those blocks down there. I'd like to get the front end up a little higher.
look at Gunner. Gunner's trying to get you.
Look, it's water. We're gonna take a bath right here in the faucet in front of everybody.
Right.
Even though the sign says, don't take a bath, don't clean your fish, don't wash your dishes.
Only because they don't want this clogged in. It seems like it is clogged.
Yeah.
So, anyway, there is water though. It's drinkable water.
Yeah, it's good water. It really is good water. There's another one down here.
Again, this is our path to the van. And another one right here. Hold on.
There, good. Better.
Do that again.
You like it, huh? Very cool.
So that's right by the us. We got water.
I need to go get pretty.
So let's check out the wheelchair-friendly bathroom. We have 2 bathrooms right next to each other. Both of them are handicap friendly with
Huge.
flushable toilets. Woohoo!
I don't think it's that big a deal.
But it's not a pit toilet, so it doesn't stink in here. It smells good in here, actually. They have some good soap, hand soap or something that makes it smell nice. And it's always clean in here.
You know, nobody's leaving trash. Nobody's getting out of control.
Well, I was in here earlier, and look, the trash is already dumped, and it's still morning. It's not even noon yet, so they come in.
Kudos to the camp house, man.
And then there's a roll under sink.
With a little coconut hand soap. Hey, we're gonna get our tropical on.
Now, what about this side? It's not considered wheelchair accessible, but it seems like it would be. If the table was flipped around, it would be, huh?
Yeah, that's a big deal.
If this extension over here, which makes it a roll under, if you flipped it, it'd be really nice. Really nice spot for wheelchairs. It's flat. And the pad right there is nice and wide. So this is pretty wide for a nice.
Yeah, it's really wide.
So that'd be a good
really
spot.
wide open.
And flat. So this is a good one. It's not even in the wheelchair accessible too.
Nope.
And why are those other ones considered more wheelchair friendly?
Proximity, location to the restrooms.
So it's just so you don't have to go as far to find to go to the bathroom, basically.
Yeah, because sometimes when you're in a wheelchair, you go, I can go poop.
You really gonna say that? Oh my
You
God!
don't say anything, you just go, excuse me, I gotta go.
So you gotta have quick.
Quick reflexes. You gotta have a quick arrival time.
So yeah, these are nice big sites. Apparently, this is number 58 because there's the bear locker. You could fit a couple of tents in this spot too over there. It's a nice one. A couple of tent spots over there. Right there. Some good tent spots in the middle of the trees. Check out these babies. Whoa, look at, can't even get to the top of them. That's crazy. Yeah, so this pretty flat site here
Not bad. So now if you go,
is number 58. There are so many sites that could be wheelchair friendly here. Check out this one, number 60. Get Derek rolling into that big old wide pad. There's the end of that table to roll under. It's pretty flat. Pretty flat.
see the trail we just walked up. You there behind it?
Oh yeah, there's a trail right there behind it. It's paved. We just came up it from the bathroom in our van right through those trees. Thank you for watching part 1 of our trip to Spring Cove Campground in Bass Lake, California. Hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss part 2 next week.
See the clouds and